Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Simply CM. At right now guys, nasa Turkey pa rin tayo. This is our second day dito sa Turkey. Yeah, ang saya guys. It's so warm today. Like, mainit na mainit. Kaya medyo nagtatago tayo kasi sobrang init din. Mas mainit pa siya sa Pinas. Anyway, pakita ko sa inyo yung aming view today. Wait lang. Oopsie, my God. Medyo, yan. Isn't that super nice? Super warm. Ganda. Yes. So, yan yung aming view, guys. Super nice. But, sobrang init lang. But anyway, palis kami. Maghanap kami ng, kita nyo ako? Okay. Maghanap kami ng pagkain, guys. Light lunch lang kasi kakakain lang din namin ng breakfast. Mga around 10 din yon. So, yeah, yun yung aming clear ba? I hope it's clear. Okay. So, yun yung aming gagawin today. We're gonna be finding food and maybe walk around para makita din natin talaga yung yung lugar dito kasi ang bilis lang ng panahon. Tomorrow is our last day, tapos Thursday uwi na. Ganun lang kadali. So gusto ko na maglakad-lakad na muna kami and titingnan natin yung mga lugar-lugar dito. Ganon. No, I don't know. But anyway, that was like that. I know. So now we're just gonna walk and find something we can eat here. I really wanna try like a local market, something like that. Of course, there's some local living here. But anyway, look at your face. I'm here.
Looking what? Food?
No, like markets. It could be not like this, but
Yeah,
I want to buy like spices, those things that they're famous for. You know they're famous for those, right? Or you don't? Okay, lakad-lakad na muna tayo guys. Medyo mainit ngayon, daming tao. Actually, not so much, but it's more people now compared yesterday. Oh, Martin, Martin, is that your clothes yesterday?
what?
What you're wearing now? Wait, was it yesterday?
This is night, sweater day,
Ah.
change later.
So that's your style, day. Okay.
Today it is.
Okay, fine. Good for you.
Did you also wear this morning?
Yeah, but this is
Okay,
another
good.
day. Another day. What lang? What is it? Can you see from here what kind of food?
No. I cannot.
Should we try that?
I don't know here.
No, it looks like chicken. Can you see? It looks like chicken. Should we try that then? Because of course Burger King, we get that at home all the time. You have a leg.
Well, to trust. There's
Yeah,
no
yeah.
trust in you.
Cheaper. We go a little bit and then there is something there. I think I'd rather try something like that. See? Can you see? Fiesta combo. There's also burgers and all that.
There's probably no people, so.
Up to you. We walk a little farther and then we go back if we can't find anything. Okay?
Those are shit. Then we walk down here tonight and find something to eat down here in this area.
What in that area?
In that area, go.
Then we walk there after?
Yeah, when we gotta go tonight.
Do you know exactly? Oh my God, I get so nervous. See, that looks like a good food. I really, like, where should a human should walk,
Yeah.
here or that side?
Yeah.
Here, okay. Okay. Anyway, what are you gonna be eating though? I have a question. Does Burger King actually changes its menu depending on the country? Really?
Yeah. Not
Uh,
much.
yeah.
Yeah.
Is that how ours look
That's
like?
how.
That look like very it's because they put the metal there.
Yeah, a little extra.
Yeah. Then it become more heavy.
Yes.
So, so it's just like McDonald's and I don't know, they change their, also Jollibee actually, they change their menu depending on which country. Okay. We'll see. Burger King it is then. The inside is looking nice. Is it bad?
Det er dårligt, bare tørt.
Okay.
And I'm right, we'll go down there.
Like going out and walk out. You can try.
Maybe there is a promenade where you can go where there is boats.
I like that it's so thin.
How is the chicken? Stop.
It's actually okay.
Good for you.
In Denmark is already I think mga 300. But you know what I like about here? There's a lot of kids, just kids, going out there and eating. The two girls here, they were like kids. Now I can see two girls there. So what I can see is like a whole basket of just fries. I think this is the Indian favorite. Like a whole, like this, look at like that, and then it's just fries. Like a soup. And they look like their kids, like look like 10, 11 years
Let's see them. Double samples.
old. No, seriously, wait, so
Couple chicken.
this one is okay. But I was hoping it's like, I have not seen it like chicken wings, yeah.
Don't want to eat it all, then it'll be so full for later. And it's not worth it.
But it's crazy how I have a lot of workmates, they're Turkish, right? Coming to their country and looking where they're coming from. But I have to say some of them.
But this is a holiday place. It's got nothing to do with the real estate.
Yeah. But it's like, looking at it, I got
Prices are marked up crazy here.
I got two workmates from Rexon that I really like, Alina and Sival, and they came from here, and every year they come up here to visit family, right? And but their life is in Denmark.
Yeah.
Like they grow up there and all, and both of them they're like nice. And we're like, oh, calmer, very like empathetic, that kind, right, of personality. But both are like into fashion and looking good like that. And then I got Silkan in Hello. And she's really into fashion. Like she will come to work looking like top notch, you know, like whoa, like that. And she's also very nice. Like, oh, like you know, we listen to her stories, even if it, you're not sure if it was understood 100% because she doesn't speak English, but she said her husband speak Turkish and English
Okay.
to her. But she said she speak Turkish and Danish. There's a little bit there. But she was born in Denmark and basically like Denmark. Right? And all of them, their basic common features is the eyes. The eyes are like black and you know white.
Problem. Gælder det, Martin?
Changing.
Solgt i Elga.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Yes, that